Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette makeup challenge number 5. Yes, we are halfway done. I'm so excited, but doesn't mean I love it less or get tired of it less. I just really like this eyeshadow palette with all my heart and soul for this moment of my life. Not sure if there's any eyeshadow palette that can win me over in the future, but not yet. So today I am going to show you guys how did I achieve this look. For me, I feel like March is a green color eyeshadow month. Not sure about you guys, but for me, you know, St. Patrick's Day, that's a big green day, and green used to be one of the favorite color. I don't know, I just feel like I want to play with green for today. Yeah, I really like this look I created for today. I think it's what I want for this like mysterious and glowy wet look I want to do. Not sure about the hair. So without further ado, let's jump in and let me show you guys how did I achieve this look. Alright, so now let's start from the beginning and let me show you guys how did I achieve this look on this side already. So the lipstick I use for today's look is from Kate Von D, the Lolita 2. This is one of my favorite dark nude color lipstick, along with the other one from Charlotte Tilbury, Walk of Shame. The other one has more of a red undertone, but this one is more like a brick tone. It's just very daily uses. Perfect for afternoon looking or a cloudy day like this. So I put this on my lip first, and then I use this Mary Kay topper, but I'm sure you can find something else like this. It's like basically a lip gloss, but with some tiny little golden glitter, because I think this is more like a mermaidy looking, so I want to make it more like a wet glowy look, and that's what I'm going for today. Without further ado, let's focus on the eyes now. So this time I changed my method, and I think I should finish one eye first, so I will be more familiar with the whole method, and I will go through even quicker than I usual and show you guys how I achieve for the second time, instead of waiting for a while and then do the other eye. When I come back, the daylight has already been gone, it's just different light. I don't really like it, so I hope this time it will be better. So now let me show you what color I used. So basically we're just gonna hand out at this corner, the left corner of this eyeshadow palette, which are the Pool Party, Jada, Diva, and Enchanted. These are the only 4 greenish color in this eyeshadow palette, and I'm only going to use these 4 for today's look. Sounds pretty easy, right? Okay, so let's start it. The first one we're going to play with is Jada, which is a matte green tone color. And we're just using a fluff brush to bring up the color. Give the eyelid a green base. So I still have a little bit of the powder there, and I think it's better for me to keep it there. So in the end I will be clean and crisp, and hopefully I don't need to use the Tarte Shape Tape to clean it up. So this one looks pretty good, and I hope the other side will be as good. So just windshield wipe motion, back and forth, give it a little bit. Now let's deepen the eyelid part, which I'm gonna use the Enchanted, which is a dark green. So I usually like to bring the upper of my eyelid, so even when I talk, instead of close my eyes, I can still see it. I know it's a pretty dark mossy green. We gotta do a little blending later to match these, the Jada and Enchanted seamlessly. Okay, so I think let's kick some back. Okay, this should be good. So now let's use a small detail brush to dab a little bit Jada again, just to soften the edge. You want to really try to open your eyes, so okay, so now let's use Shape Tape. It's my new favorite concealer and probably lifetime concealer. Let's hope there's something cheaper and more affordable but same effect in the future, being invented by one of those cosmetic company, so I don't have to spend $27 on this sucker. Okay, as usual, I want to bring it upper. Okay, pretty good. I guarantee you this look just doesn't take me as long as it looks like. It's just super easy too. This is one of the reasons why I like this eyeshadow palette. It just can create the most incredible look with very short amount of time than you anticipated. So now we're gonna dive into pool party, of course. Dive is the best verb to use. Definitely use your finger. Usually what I like to do is just finish the eyelid eyeliner first and then put on the false eyelashes, and according to where it ends, then put on the wing, so it will be more precisely. Okay, you want to wait for a little bit and then power through. Okay, so usually touch the middle first. So you want to measure, you want to go, you don't want to go too front. Then I'll just poke your eyes. So once they are all placed at the right position, you push it up. So it looks more feathery and even longer. Because you don't want them to go down or go front. Otherwise, you can't really see them very well. So now, see, it's all just stand up. We're done with the eyelashes. And we'll see where to go. Basically it's here. So now let's moving on the lower eyelashes, and we're just gonna go with the Enchanted first. Dab a little bit with this detail brush to catch up with the eyeliner. Smoky it a little bit. Okay, now we go to this one. Go with Diva. To put a little bit shimmer in the end. You can't really see, but so now let's highlight the brow bone. Never ever forget it. So the one I go usually is the beam. This one. Oh, so that makes 5 eyeshadow today. Anyways, this is the one just I always use for highlight the brow bone. Alright, I think this is it. It's either my makeup skill is getting better now, or it's just so easy to blend every color in this eyeshadow palette. I'm pretty much done. I don't think there's anything more I can add on this look without looking more crazy and dramatic. I really like it. I didn't know green can be this beautiful on my face. Usually it's like those crazy leprechaun green, but this green is really beautiful, like turquoise, like those beautiful lake color with the mineral. I don't know how to describe it. It's a good expensive green, not a cheap green in my opinion. So I hope you guys like it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and keep watching the more challenges from this palette. And I hope you guys like this look, and please subscribe my channel. I would love more subscribers for this year. And thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!